Finally, bro, what took you so long? I've been waiting forever. So what's my mission?
We are the Monian Empire, the realm where the light shines on. We are Lighborn Chevaliers, always standing strong and tall.
You see the soldiers? Looks like something bad is gonna happen.
1, 2, 3, 4. Pull yourselves together. We are Lighborn Chevaliers.
The archers in position yet?
Sir, 2 teams of archers will take turns and stand guard on the rooftop. Security traps are all set.
What about the passages?
All sealed, as you commanded. No one can get in or out, sir.
Pathetic peasants. Hey! Watch it! Hey, you light-forsaken peon! Know your place!
Let the performance begin.
The Divine Stone is a sacred gift bestowed upon the Monian Empire by the Lord of Light. It represents honor and faith and contains immense magical energy. Our sacred duty as a Lightborn Chevalier is to protect the stone at all costs. A celebration will take place at the square in 3 days' time, where the Divine Stone will be given to our greatest king. An event that will surely go down in history!
Go away!
Keep your eyes sharp! We can't afford any mishaps!
Hey there, Tigreal, Shield of the Empire, Slayer of Evil. Would you perhaps do me a little favor?
I have my own mission, but if you truly need me, I don't see a reason not to help you.
What a coincidence. I too have important business to attend to, so how about you tell your men to behave and not cause any trouble for me?
Rest assured, my Lightborn Chevaliers are the best trained elites around. What a pompous brat.
Come on, Dexter. It's your time to shine. Here I come. Come on. Shh. Just follow my lead.
What's Captain Tigreal's problem with cats?
Who knows? Hey, what's up?
Why do I feel like he's staring at me?
Don't be stupid.
We'd be off duty if it wasn't for that stupid cat causing problems, you know?
Yeah, but cats are always troublesome.
Well, that sucked. Hey, wait up! What did I tell you?
The captain made such a big deal out of it.
Come on, let's
Hold
have
on.
a snack after
We
this.
got this. Off you go. Let's do this.
Let's be careful. Last time we got robbed, they deducted a whole month's worth of wages.
Well, we can't let that happen again.
Found ya.
This is such a pain. Ugh, I'm so bored. Finally, bro, what took you so long? I've been waiting forever. So what's my mission?
Be a good little girl and stay put. That's your mission. I don't want to worry for your safety. No matter what you hear, do not leave this room.
Come on!
Listen, you can join me on the next one. Then the Knight's Medal will be yours. Please be patient.
Liar! You never keep your promises! You're always saying that you'll take me on your next mission and then it never happens. I'm sick of you lying to me. Oh, I get it. You're scared that I'm going to one-up you and steal your spotlight.
My dearest sister, this mission is unlike any other. Its success is of the utmost importance. We must protect the stone and ensure the security of the celebration. In addition, His Majesty himself will be in attendance as the head of the royal family and most reliable protector of the entire Harmonian Empire.
Blah, blah.
Oh, my decision has been made. End of discussion.
Dexter, you know the drill. Be quiet. Whoa.
Dex.
Hurry. I can't hold on much longer. Not again, Dexter.
Gold coin! Get about it! I saw it! No! I saw it first! Give it back! Give it here!
What the? Seriously, Dexter? Again?
Do as I say, or else I'll call in the guards.
Fine, leave, you big hero.
Honestly, I'm used to this. That's the way out! Go! Run! We don't have time! Oh, Dexter!
Dex.
Dexter, do you know what to do?
Archers, get in position. Ready our defenses immediately. Close all the passages.
Passages all sealed!
I heard something over here!
Something's up! Let's go take a look!
Don't let it escape!
Sweet dreams! They ran toward the gate! Wait! No! The other way!
This way! Stop them!
We are a perfect team.
Stacks.
This is the taste of a clue.
We'll get out of the palace through here. Hold on tight. I'm gonna make the jump. Yeah!
What a day.
Pardon me, milady. Thanks for the apple!
What an idiot.